Morning students, welcome to the virtual class of Information Technology of class 9th, subject code 402, part B, unit 4, that is electronics spreadsheet. What is Excel 2010? Excel 2010 is an electronic spreadsheet program. It is the spreadsheet component of Microsoft Office 2010 suite, which is one of the most widely used application software for data analysis. We already learned that in MS Office, there are MS Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Access. There are so many applications there in the MS Office suite. MS Excel, or we can say electronic spreadsheet, is one of them. Microsoft Excel allows to store data in the form of rows and document. In MS Word, document is there, but in MS Excel, when the data store in the form of rows and columns, we called it a spreadsheet. That's why it is called electronic spreadsheet. Both number or text type of data values can be used in the worksheet on which you can perform different type of operations using built-in function or with the help of user-defined formulas. In the electronic spreadsheet, there are some functions like sum, minimum, maximum, average, count. There are so many built-in function and we can create our own functions too. Features of spreadsheet. There are so many advantages of spreadsheet. First is large amount of numeric or non-numeric data can be stored, modified and manipulated easily in the spreadsheet. If we have to do any calculations with the help of numeric data, then it is very useful. It acts as an automatic calculator based on the added formulas which perform calculations on the stored numeric data very quickly and accurately. It has sum function, maximum function, minimum function, and we can calculate minus, division, multiplication in this. Various data formatting features. What do you mean by data formatting? It means we can change the format, color, format, size, text also. This feature allows the data to be represented in the desired manner without changing its value. Common operations like copying, moving or deleting the data can easily be performed using the concept of ranges. In Word, we can copy and move the data from one place to another. We can delete the data in the same way. We can do cut, copy, paste, delete, editing, modification, and formatting also in the spreadsheet. Features like autocomplete and autocorrect make the data entry easy and error-free. Autocomplete means there is a function in MS Excel. When we write January and February, then it will complete all the names of the months by itself. The process of what if analysis helps in taking complex decisions. Number data can be quickly and easily be converted into digital charts for easy data analysis. We can create charts very easily. Built-in functions. I already told you that there are so many built-in functions like sum, average, minimum, maximum, power can be used for performing complex calculations. Data can be imported from and exported to the other applications too. How to start MS Excel? Click on Start, All Programs, then Microsoft Office. In Microsoft Office, Microsoft Excel is there. Components of Microsoft Excel worksheet. This this is the title bar, this is the menu bar, and these are the icons. This is the name box. What is the name box? This cell address, it is also called a cell address. It means when our cursor is here, then these are the columns A, B, C, D, E, F, G. First column number and then row number. These are the row 1, 2, 3, 4. For, in the name box, A1 is there, A column in the first row. This is the formula bar. We write the formula here. This is called complete a worksheet. These are the rows and this is the column. A to Z are the columns. And these are the sheet tabs. By default, there are 3 sheets in a single worksheet. We can insert or delete as many worksheets as we can, as we want. It's not a box, it's not a rectangle. Where rows and column intersect, it is called a cell. Creating a new workbook. How can we create a new workbook? Go to File, then there will be a new, then Excel workbook. Click on this Create button. Your new blank workbook will be created. Saving a workbook. We all know that after doing our work in MS Paint, in MS Word, in any other application, we must save. So in MS Excel, if we want to save our worksheet, then go to File and then Save As. A Save As window will open. Write the file name and click on Save button. Your workbook will be saved. Opening a workbook. You can open any workbook that has previously been saved and given a name. If you have created a workbook in the last period or yesterday or more than 10 days before, if you want to open it, then click on File, then Open. A open window will open. You can see here it has written Open. Open window will open. Choose the file name and click on Open. Your already saved workbook will be open again. Closing a workbook. To close a workbook, you need to click on the Close button on the right hand side of the bar. And another one is you may also close a workbook by clicking on File tab. From the list, click on the Close button. Go to File, then Close. Exiting Microsoft Excel. There is an option, go to File, then click on Exit. Now, what is the difference between close and exit? Close button will close your current worksheet, but you will not exit from the Excel. If you want to exit from the Excel, then you have to click on File, then Exit. Thank you.